Welcome to the EngView Package Display Designer version 2026. We're excited to share the new features in our application. Let's get started. The new feature here is that each template now has its own unique URL. You can copy, share, and your design opens instantly in 2D and 3D for teammates and customers to view. Also, our library just got larger. 81 new parametric templates are ready to inspire you. 37 folding cartons, 25 corrugated packages, 6 corrugated displays, and 13 ICB furniture and displays. From concept to creation, design better, faster, and with total flexibility. Everything you need for packaging and display solutions is ready to use. Explore www.library.engview.com for your next design and modify it in EngView Package and Display Designer or directly in Adobe Illustrator. The new flipped article feature allows designers to create mirrored versions of boxes or display components with complete automatic synchronization. Our display file currently includes only one side of the wall. Our goal is to create a perfectly symmetrical other side in a few clicks. After selecting the right side, we created a new flipped article without creating a new 2D drawing. Any modifications made to the original drawing are instantly applied to the flipped version in both 2D and 3D. For example, we can see the hole on the left side opposite of the hole on the right. Then we switch to 3D view to demonstrate how the flipped article will attach to the left side of the display in a real-time preview. This helps designers save time and reduce errors. We attached the flipped article on the left side of the display, nice and easy. And there you have it. We show the result is now properly aligned. We can then open the project in Illustrator and add graphics on to both articles. Thanks to our Adobe Illustrator integration, changes happen immediately in our 3D window. Finally, open the EVD file in the EngView Package and Display Designer and showcase the completed structure ready for production. Here we will show you how to use flipped structures in the layout. Beyond time savings, this feature contributes directly to sustainability goals by optimizing sheet usage. First, we create a new article in the flipped structure. Then, we open up the one-up drawing. In the regular version, the glue flap is on the left. In the flipped version, it's now on the right. Now we want to create a layout with the two articles, so we open the Layout Wizard. In EngView Package Designer, the Layout Wizard is a step-by-step tool designed to automate the process of arranging one-up designs. As we look at the glue flap, the two articles are the same, so we rotate the top article 180 degrees because we want to align the cutting and creasing lines perfectly. By efficiently arranging flipped designs, companies can produce more packaging units from a single sheet of material, minimizing waste and reducing material costs. Another feature of the 2026 version is the inverted production property. EngView software allows users to produce boxes from the rear side of the material while maintaining the standard production of workflow. In this example, the material is corrugated beef flute, which is usually cut from the rear side. We can see here that the box folds correctly towards the rear side of the material. Now, users can specify which side of the material should be used for cutting and printing operations. The inverted symbol is shown on the screen. In this production approach, the material is cut from the reverse side compared to the standard processing. The overall workflow generally remains the same, but the good side of the material ends up inside the box. Why this matters? The ability to switch between front and rear production sides gives the greater flexibility to meet modern packaging production demand. Now, the higher quality layer of the material stays inside, ensuring premium feel and finish. Calculated properties are your secret weapon to data-driven design. For statistical or reporting purposes, they automatically calculate the values in your structure resizes. In order to extract outside dimensions, we use 3 calculated properties. First, create a parameter to calculate the outside length of the box. In order to extract outside dimensions, we use 3 calculated properties. First, create a parameter to calculate the outside length of the box, then the width, and finally the height. These properties appear in the parameters section and can be incorporated into any document generated from the project. Now, we will open an example document to see how they look on paper. Also, calculated properties help extract key production information. For example, using dimensions, we can measure critical distances for gluing machines. This distance can be stored as a calculated property, allowing structural designers to quickly check whether the box can be processed on the glue machine. Calculated properties can also be used to display the box compression test BCT values. Stay tuned for updates on our LinkedIn page, YouTube channel, or the newsletter for what comes next. We at EngView are continuing to improve our software every day, and these new functionalities are just the beginning for what's coming next in 2026.